In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Expressvpn account effortlessly. Whether you're switching services or just no longer need a VPN, we'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. So, let's dive in and get started on deleting your Expressvpn account. First, you're going to want to navigate to the Expressvpn website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in www.expressvpn.com in the address bar. It's always best to make sure you're on the official website to ensure account security and privacy during this process. Once you've landed on the home page, your next step is to locate the My Account section. Typically, this is found on the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to the account login page where you'll need to provide your credentials. If you've saved your login details in the browser, it might even autofill for you, saving you a bit of time. After logging in, you should find yourself in the Expressvpn dashboard. This dashboard is your hub for managing everything related to your account, from settings to subscription details. The next thing you'll want to look for is the Account and Billing section. If you're having trouble finding it, it's usually listed on the side menu or under the Account Settings area. Now that you've clicked on Account and Billing, you'll be taken to a screen with various management options. Here, you can see everything related to your account's billing cycle, payment methods, and more. For our purposes, we'll focus on finding the option to Delete Account. Sometimes this is listed directly as Delete Account, or you might find a link named similarly under Account Management options. Before hitting the Delete button, it's important to double-check any ongoing subscriptions or billing cycles you might have. If you cancel your account too early without reviewing these, you might miss out on any benefits or refunds. Once you're ready and confident that all your information has been reviewed, go ahead and click Delete Account. By clicking the Delete button, you might be prompted to confirm your decision via a secondary dialog box. This is just a final security step, ensuring that you haven't accidentally initiated the deletion. Confirm your choice, and you're done. Your Expressvpn account will be deleted. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Expressvpn account. Remember to check your email for any confirmation messages or further instructions from Expressvpn, just in case they need any more information to complete the process. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.